Welcome to Carl's Comic Cards and Collectibles for the Fleer Brilliance Superman Yellow Parallel exclusive blaster box. I have not checked these out yet. I'm also 2 cards short in that base set. Need 5 of the Revenge Squad inserts. They also have other parallels that we haven't checked out yet. The Powered by the Sun, Last Son of Krypton, the Illuminator insert. Um, I was lucky enough to get the Truth, Justice, and a Better Tomorrow card, Superman. Got it ready to send it out to PSA. Hopefully, I didn't ding it up putting it in the holder. So let's just get right into this box and see if we can get those 2 cards that we need and see what these yellow parallels look like. I'm kind of interested to see what they look like. So let's check it out. All right, let's see if we can get those 2 cards that we need. Okay, here we go. We have Mongol. There's a yellow parallel. Looks kind of cool. Mercy Graves on the yellow parallel and a classic cover. Ooh, we have a Illuminator insert behind this classic cover here. I've not seen those yet. Hopefully we get a good one. I don't know. We got Atomic Skull on the Illuminator insert. Okay. That is pretty cool. Sweet. And then we have Superman, which I might have, no, I have not showed that yet. Superman on the Superman Fleer Brilliance Rainbow board. Yeah, hopefully we can get one of those Powered by the Sun inserts. That would be pretty awesome if we can get 2 inserts that we have not seen yet. Right, Calyx, yellow parallel, and a Bizarro Revenge Squad insert. Oh, that's awesome. That is one that I needed, so that's great. That's perfect. We have a card we need. Insert we haven't seen yet. That's beautiful. Okay, next pack. All right, here we go. Ma and Pa. We got Ma and Pa Kent here. We got Titano on that yellow parallel. We have our classic cover insert. Looks like we have a Highfather. Next pack. Let's throw out that. Let's next pack here. Oh, all right. Okay, we got Superwoman on the back. We got Parasite on the front. Okay, we have our yellow parallel of Dan Turpin and a classic cover insert. Looks like Death of Superman, 1993. And then we have Jay Nakamura. 4 packs, including this one. 4 packs left, including this one. We got Steel. We got a yellow parallel of Brainiac Queen. We have our classic cover insert of 1939. Classic. And we have Lightning Lad. Lori Lamaris. Lori Lamaris. All right. Next pack. Should be a quick little one blaster box. Quick little video here. There we go. We got Lorzod. We can get our camera to focus today. That would be fantastic. We have Eve Thesma. Yeah, we got a classic cover. Oh, we got a red parallel numbered Classic cover right here first in 1942, and a Titano Red Heat Vision that's numbered to 1938. About those, that's pretty awesome. Got our numbered card in the box. Kind of hoping to get that red parallel numbered to 99, but I'll settle for a red Heat Vision. It's not too bad. All right, second to last box. That's the second to last pack. Just want to say thank you guys for watching the video, stopping by. Let's see what we get in this next pack here. Lobo. Get a yellow parallel of Supergirl. And a General Zod on that Revenge Squad insert. And a Toyman. And a Brainiac 5. Alright, last pack. Let's see if we can get some last pack. 2 numbered cards and 1 blaster? I don't know, that sounds pretty crazy. Let's see what happens here. I don't know. We've got Superman, classic Superman image. Imperex. We got a classic cover. 1996. And then we have Perry White. And close it all out with a Superboy. Alright, well, we got our numbered card of Titano and an Illuminators insert of Atomic Skull, which is pretty cool. I've not seen those yet. So I guess all we need is that Powered by the Sun and the Last Son of Krypton insert. I'm really having trouble focusing on this thing. It's not quick enough. I'm moving too fast, I guess. I don't know what's going on here. Maybe Superman in the background is distracting the camera. He's so handsome. But we got that Illuminator insert and another red 1938 Red Heat Vision numbered parallel. So that's pretty cool. If you guys like this kind of content, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and always keep collecting.